Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be playing Escape the Evil Art Shop Obby, and look, and I have a new mic. And yes, I'm aware it's blocking the screen a little bit. Yeah, so now my voice is gonna sound so much better. I died. Yeah, but today now my voice is gonna sound so much better. The quality is gonna be so much better. What is this? Oh, that's pretty cute. Oh, thank you for showing me the right way. Middle. Yes! Also, this is my first face cam video in a while, and I said that while I died. I wanted to make this video and just, like, test out my new mic for the first time. I died. There's a unicorn. Yeah, I wanted to make this video and test out my new mic. Because I just got this new mic for Christmas and I wanted to test it out. So now my mic quality, I died. But yeah, my mic quality will be so much better. I might get a new camera too, but for now this is what we're dealing with. No more of, hold on guys. No more of this mic. Trash. I used that mic for like half a year, almost 2 years before I got this new mic that I wanted, because I figured that this mic would be much better. Most YouTubers have mics like this, and yeah, so this is gonna be what my setup will look like now, because I have this brand new mic. No! Okay, this feels... Oh my god. No, it literally pushed me in the water! Oh my god. Yay. Man. Also, last video was a different mic quality too. I wore my dad's headset, which I actually did 2 videos with before. Oh my god. I caught up to him. I almost said I catched up to him. Okay. Yay! Oh no, he tied. No! Come on, let's go. And I died. Green, you betrayer! Because you guys know my favorite color is green. Why is he just standing there? Oh, wait. Okay, wait. Oh, yeah! It's good. Just be careful. Oh no, she died! We seem to be in the knitting department. No. I didn't see where I was going. The painting must have been some sort of dungeon. Find a way out. Did I beat it? Oh, I beat it! Yay! Okay, guys, that is it for today's video. If you liked it, please give a like, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!